Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little unboxing of something I bought on the internet, and it just came in and they were really fast, guys. Like, I thought it was gonna take a week. I ordered it the next day. They're like, oh, and actually I ordered it really early in the morning, so it wasn't even the next day. I took a nap, and the next day, a couple hours later, they're like, oh, we got your stuff, and here it is, and it's on its way. So it literally took 2 days to get here, like 48 hours. Not bad. I thought it was going to take like a week or two, but that's not bad. But I guess because they're based here in California, so like they're like, here's your crap. It's not crap, but you know what I'm saying. All right, guys. Okay, so here's the box and the scissors, and I'm gonna start cutting open. Watch me end up cutting myself. I'll be like, oh no, what's going on here? Oh, this one's kind of stuck right there. What is that? Struggles, bro. There we go. Why am I having such a hard time today? Oof. Okay, everything's all nicely packaged. Okay, here it is. So I ordered this in the color bisques. Bisque. I'm be stuck on saying it. Sorry, I'm like trying to get it open. I'm like, why is it? Is that the thing just holding it up, or is there something actually in here? Why do they have it all? Okay, they faked me out. Like, what the heck? Okay, so I guess it's inside. This one's really cute. Okay, so this is a combo one. It comes with... It does not want to let go. Oh my god, it's attached. Okay, so it comes with the little the wallet. They're attached, guys. I'm gonna have to take them out, like cut them off, I guess, or something. But it comes with the wallet and the little like wristlet, which I'll probably use as a makeup bag. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna have to open this. Alright, I struggled to get these out because they were attached like by those little button things, and they were looped through here, and I was having a hard time opening it. So that's the wristlet, that's the bag, and this is the wallet. There you go. I could probably fit all my stuff in here now. Alright, so I have that. I'm like, and it fits, you know, or it's like a clutch, sort of. Clutch wallet, whatever you want to call it. Guys, I swear this is bad, like camera and shit, but I'm doing this by myself, so it's kind of hard. Anyway. Okay. So yeah, here it is. You know, it's open right there. And it tells you on this paper, you get the bag, the crossbody, and the crossbody clutch. So that was pretty good, a 3-in-1, you know. I was like, that was worth it. So, yeah, I bought that on michaelkors.com. Was good. What's happening? Hey. So, yeah, so there we go. So, we got that 3-in-1. I was like, that's really cute because, you know, sometimes you got a lot of stuff in your purse, but you got to get down from the car and you're like, I don't really want to carry that whole purse. You can just put your essentials in the little one, strap it on, and be like, let's go. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, thanks for watching my unboxing video today. Have a great day. Bye, y'all. Oh my God, I'm looking demonish. Ooh. Bye.